Self-esteem refers to person's belief. Well, someone has very well said, some things may be equally essential, but nothing is more important than a healthy sense of self-esteem and loving yourself. Why is self-esteem important? Self-esteem refers to a person's belief about their own worth and value. It has also to do with the feeling people experience that follow from their sense of worthiness or unworthiness. Self-esteem is important because it heavily influences people's choices and decisions. People with high self-esteem are those people who are motivated to take care of themselves and to persistently strive toward the fulfillment of personal goals and aspirations. People with lower self-esteem don't tend to regard themselves as worthy of happy outcomes or capable of achieving them, and so tend to let important things slide and to be less persistent and resilient in terms of overcoming adversity. I would like to share few tips regarding internal ways to build self-esteem. First of all, you need to stop comparing yourself to other people. A person who is always trying to be like others can't be themselves. If a person senses that they are comparing themselves, they need to stop and say something positive. An example could be, I am enough, I accept myself, and I don't need to be like anyone else. Then you have to write. Write a good qualities about yourself. A person should keep this list close at hand, such as a picture on their cell phone. When they doubt themselves, they should look at it. Thirdly, recognize. When you are engaging in negative self-talk, if you need, find yourself thinking that you are bad, ugly, fat, stupid, or any other negative word, you need to stop. Then you should tell yourself something positive and it like you mean it. This can be as simple as saying, no, I am a good person. Then move. Move from the past. To move forward, a person can't keep looking backward. Once they have dealt with their past, they need to stop dwelling on things. They can tell themselves, this is over. I am moving on. And I don't need to worry about this anymore. Furthermore, I would like to share few external ways to build a self-esteem. Firstly, exercise. Exercise is a physical activity that increases feel-good chemicals in the brain that help a person feel better. It's also an activity a person is doing for themselves and no one else. Secondly, learn to be direct. A person with so low self-esteem needs to share their thoughts and feelings. They don't need to be afraid of sharing their opinions. Often, the more you share them, the better you will feel. Then, find a positive activity to enjoy. Taking up a new hobby can be a way for a person to develop a positive social atmosphere. Some people even volunteer as a way to do something good for their community and meet new people. Keep a journal. A person can write in a journal every day to recognize ways they succeeded in building their self-esteem and ways they may have struggled. Over time, they will likely to find their success are greater than their setbacks. I hope this informative video will surely improve your self-esteem. Thanks for watching and please share and like. Your valuable comments and suggestions are always welcome.